time-bounded events, such as hackathon, startup weekends, competitions are poised to accelerate technological progress and refine the technology innovation lifecycle at the Middle East and North Africa region. As increasing volumes of data for multiple bounded events are captured and become available and scattered on multiple websites and social medias, new opportunities arise for data-driven analysis that can lead to insights for researchers, analysts, and policymakers to track, process, and communicate data about the phenomenon of hackathon and time-bounded events and how they contribute toward innovation ecosystems in the region. Community and institutions contribute towards scaling up the event's contents directly from the home page, inserting a new event information and location, or sign up and log in to edit the inserted contents, and the admin will verify them by checking the institutional email and event's website URL. Then, from the admin's dashboard, verified content will be selected either for deletion or to go for visualization live on the server. In the Saneaa platform, the visualization has two modes of operation, finding events mode and the statistical mode. The first mode allows the users to explore spatially by zooming in and out of regions and countries, and temporally by exploring the data sets across the timeline using a lever or slider to move from one time frame to another. Moreover, the data can be filtered, for example in the health, environment, or education sector. Users can click on the pins to find more description of the event. The second mode is the data visualization and exploration mode. In this mode, the user can explore the data to gain insights from the data visualizations and analysis. We had implemented more than 5 data-driven analytics charts for decision-making by addressing the main components of time-bounded events, i.e. time, the technology used, themes and prizes, and the numbers of participants. The user can gain insights in different levels and scales and views. All categories could be explored through this mode. Here is a sample of the statistical mode. It helps to discover the community's interest in each category over a period of time and which category needs to be more expanded. By toggling on or off the categories, and the dynamic visualization shows the amount of number of participants refreshes on screen in the platform to provide instantaneous data tailored to the needs of stakeholders. These visualization charts can bring insights for the sponsors and the organizers to find patterns and connections of the scales of the event sponsors in the Arab region. And you can hover over the sponsors' bubbles to see the most relevant events categories they had sponsored. To help stakeholders understand the event's information visually and relatively, the different scaled rectangles shows the proportions of events in the Arab region, and it allows them to drill inside the rectangles to explore more, to see the cities, themes, and gender types held on these events. Maps are based on our physical world. We create maps using abstract shapes and colors to reveal geographic patterns and tell stories. These visual representations of time-bounded events make it easy for users to perceive salient aspects of regional distribution of events, as well as the destiny of events across different aspects and relatively. For example, the technologies used and the type of the events, either in person or virtual. And the top events organizers and sponsors. Users can toggle on or off over the map to filter the event's type by clicking on the colored circles and the technology used name to filter the technologies. For example, when a user selects a component on this visualization, the whole linked charts will interact with it to provide the needed statistical information. At Saneaa, we leverage data visualization to better understand the growth of hackathons. This dynamic visualization map visualizes the growth of hackathon phenomena between 2014 and 2018 in the Middle East and North African region. It aims to provide you with a clear view of the extent of changes that can occur in just 4 years and expand the thinking about the impact of this phenomenon over the coming years. In this chart, we focus to connect the data with words, and then through a story-like form, it would take the users through the analysis process. It gives a completely different picture of the data and even addresses the different concerns of different users, helping users draw meaningful conclusions. Users toggle on or off over the map to view more statistical details for a specified city, by hovering the mouse over bubbles on the map or over the bar chart. With perceptual reasoning through color-coded visual representations of these time-bounded events, and support relatively easy perceptual inferences of relationships that are otherwise more difficult to induce. Visualizing information allows us to see the patterns and connections that matter, and then designing that information so it makes more sense, or it tells a story, or it allows us to focus only on the information that's important. Saneaa is the first Arabic platform that harnesses the time-bounded events data and facilitates obtaining the historical information to provide new innovations and new insights. Visit our website saneaa.com to explore more visualizations. As we develop new ways to explore the data on our website, in the future, we hope to make many new data visualizations and other enhancements to revolutionize the way we share the hackathon data to the world.